As they journeyed deeper into Chromatica, Prismia shared the tale of the Color Keepers, a group of magical beings responsible for maintaining the balance of colors in the realm. Each Color Keeper was entrusted with a specific hue, ensuring that Chromatica remained a harmonious and vibrant world. However, Prismia revealed that a looming darkness threatened Chromatica. The mischievous shadow spires, creatures born from the absence of color, sought to drain the hues from the land and plunge it into monochrome despair. The Color Keepers, overwhelmed by the relentless shadows, needed Emma's help to restore the balance. With a heart full of determination, Emma agreed to aid Prismia and the Color Keepers in their quest. She discovered that the Rainbow Bridge served as a conduit between her world and Chromatica, allowing her to bring the magic of colors into both realms. Emma, armed with Prismia's guidance, embarked on a series of quests to restore the stolen colors. Each task required creativity, courage, and a deep understanding of the power each hue held. From rescuing the sunshine butterflies, whose golden glow brightened the meadows, to retrieving the ocean tears, droplets of azure blue that kept the rivers flowing, Emma embraced her role as the Color Keeper of Earth. As Emma journeyed through Chromatica, she encountered the unique Color Keepers, one for red, another for orange, and so on. Each guardian bestowed upon her a magical artifact representing their color's essence. The radiant ruby, the zestful zephyr, and the tranquil turquoise were just a few of the treasures that Emma collected on her quest. The challenges grew more complex as they approached the Shadow Spire's lair, a desolate realm where the colors had faded, leaving behind a gray landscape. Emma, armed with the artifacts and the support of Prismia and the Color Keepers, faced the looming darkness. In a climactic battle, Emma used the powers of the artifacts to create a dazzling array of colors, repelling the Shadow Spires and restoring vibrancy to Chromatica. The realm erupted in a breathtaking display of hues, a celebration of light overcoming darkness. With Chromatica saved, Emma bid farewell to her newfound friends, knowing that the Rainbow Bridge would forever connect their worlds. As she crossed back into her village, Emma felt a renewed appreciation for the colors around her. The once quiet Rainbow Bridge became a symbol of unity between the two realms. Emma, now a guardian of colors, continued to nurture her garden, infusing it with the magical essence she had gathered from Chromatica. The townsfolk marveled at the vibrant blooms that adorned Emma's garden, unaware of the extraordinary adventures that unfolded beyond the Rainbow Bridge. Emma's tale spread throughout the village, inspiring children to see the world through the lens of imagination and embrace the magic that colors could bring. The Rainbow Bridge, once a simple wooden structure, became a cherished landmark, a testament to the connection between two worlds and the power of one girl's journey to bring light to the shadows. And so, in the heart of the small village nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, the Rainbow Bridge stood as a symbol of hope, friendship, and the enduring magic of colors, a bridge that connected not only two realms but also the boundless possibilities that arise when one embraces the beauty within every shade of the spectrum. Title: The Whimsical Wonders of Wishingwood. Once upon a time, in a quaint village surrounded by lush greenery, there existed a mysterious forest known as Wishingwood. The trees in this enchanted woodland were said to possess magical abilities, and the air was filled with whispers of dreams and wishes waiting to come true. In this village, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily had a heart full of curiosity and a spirit as free as the butterflies that danced through the meadows. Every day, on her way home from the village school, Lily would pass the edge of Wishingwood, feeling a magnetic pull toward its mystical allure. One sunny afternoon, unable to resist the enchantment any longer, Lily ventured into Wishingwood. The moment her foot touched the soft carpet of moss, she sensed a subtle shift in the air. The trees seemed to sway with excitement, and the dappled sunlight filtered through the leaves in a pattern that resembled twinkling stars. As Lily wandered deeper into the wood, she came across a clearing bathed in a gentle, golden light. In the center stood an ancient tree with branches that reached toward the sky like gnarled fingers. At its base lay a collection of small, smooth stones, each one shimmering with a different hue. Lily approached the stones, her eyes alight with wonder. She noticed that they weren't ordinary stones, they were wishing stones, each capable of granting a single heartfelt wish. Intrigued, Lily picked up a lilac-colored stone and closed her eyes, whispering her deepest desire into its smooth surface. To her astonishment, the stone began to glow, radiating a soft, magical light. Lily felt a surge of warmth in her chest as the wish took root, intertwining with the energy of wishing wood. The ancient tree seemed to hum with approval, its branches rustling in a whimsical dance. From that day forward, Lily became a regular visitor to Wishing Wood. Every afternoon, she would explore its magical realms, discovering new wonders with each step. The wood responded to her presence, revealing hidden glades, sparkling streams, and flowers that bloomed in response to her laughter. Word of Lily's adventures in Wishing Wood spread throughout the village, and soon, other villagers were drawn to the enchanted forest. Some sought solace for unspoken dreams, while others yearned for a touch of magic in their lives. The once hidden path leading to Wishing Wood became a well-trodden trail, and the villagers discovered the joy of making wishes beneath the ancient tree. Lily, now a beloved figure in the village, took on the role of the Wishing Wood guardian. She embraced her newfound responsibility with humility, guiding those who sought the magic of the wood and sharing the wisdom she had gathered from the whimsical wonders within. One day, a young boy named Oliver approached Lily with a glimmer of hope in his eyes. Oliver had a heart full of dreams but was unsure how to express them. Lily handed him a cobalt blue wishing stone and encouraged him to share his wishes with the wood. Oliver closed his eyes and whispered his dreams into the stone, feeling a mixture of vulnerability and anticipation. As he opened his eyes, the stone in his hand began to shimmer with a radiant blue glow. The trees around them swayed in a dance of celebration, welcoming Oliver's wishes into the embrace of Wishing Wood. In the days that followed, Oliver's wishes began to unfold like a story written by the magical essence of the wood. He discovered a hidden talent for painting, capturing the vibrant hues of Wishing Wood on canvas. His artwork became a source of joy for the villagers, and Oliver found fulfillment in expressing himself through the strokes of his brush. The once skeptical villagers, witnessing the transformations inspired by Wishing Wood, began to believe in the magic that resided within their hearts. The wood became a haven for creativity, a sanctuary for dreams, and a shared space where the simple act of making a wish could bring about profound change. As the seasons changed, Wishing Wood revealed different facets of its magic. In spring, the flowers blossomed in a riot of colors. In summer, the fireflies orchestrated dazzling light displays. In autumn, the leaves transformed into a tapestry of gold and crimson, and in winter, the snowflakes glittered like diamonds in the soft moonlight. One day, as Lily stood beneath the ancient tree, she felt a gentle breeze carrying whispers of gratitude from the wood itself. The tree's branches extended toward her, forming a natural archway, a living portal that connected the village to the heart of Wishing Wood. With a joyful heart, Lily invited the villagers to step through the living archway and experience the magic of the wood firsthand. The once skeptical turned into believers, and the village embraced Wishing Wood as a cherished part of their community. The enchanted forest, now a beacon of hope and inspiration, continued to weave its magic in the lives of the villagers. Lily, the Wishing Wood guardian, became a symbol of kindness, compassion, and the boundless possibilities that awaited those who dared to dream. And so, in the heart of the village surrounded by lush greenery, Wishing Wood stood as a testament to the transformative power of wishes and the whimsical wonders that unfolded when hearts were open to the magic within. The villagers, united by the enchantment of the wood, lived each day with a sense of wonder, grateful for the extraordinary journey that began with a simple wish and the radiant glow of a wishing stone. Title: The Timeless Melody of Harmony Hills. In a picturesque town nestled between rolling hills and meadows, there existed a unique place known as Harmony Hills. It was a haven where the residents believed in the power of music to create unity and joy. Harmony Hills was home to a magical instrument called the celestial harp, hidden within the heart of an ancient grove. The harp was said to possess the ability to create a melody that resonated with the emotions of the community. The townsfolk believed that playing the celestial harp in times of joy, sadness, or celebration could bring about harmony and balance to their lives. At the heart of this vibrant town lived a young girl named Ella. Ella had a natural affinity for music, and her soul resonated with the harmonious tunes that echoed through Harmony Hills. Her days were filled with the laughter of friends, the warmth of family, and the soothing melodies of the town's musicians. One day, an unexpected event unfolded that cast a shadow over Harmony Hills. A misunderstanding among the townsfolk led to discord, and the once harmonious melodies that filled the air were replaced by dissonance. The joyous atmosphere that once defined Harmony Hills now felt clouded with tension and unease. Ella, with her keen sense of empathy, recognized the change in the town's spirit. She longed for the days when the celestial harp's enchanting tunes would weave through the meadows, bringing people together in a dance of unity. Determined to restore the harmony that defined Harmony Hills, Ella set out on a quest to find the celestial harp. Guided by the stories passed down through generations, Ella ventured into the ancient grove where the harp was said to reside. The trees, tall and wise, whispered secrets of the past and the power of music to heal wounded hearts. Ella felt a sense of awe as she reached the heart of the grove, where the celestial harp stood gleaming in the dappled sunlight. With trembling hands, Ella touched the strings of the celestial harp. Its melodic response was immediate, as if the harp itself recognized the pure intentions of the young girl. Ella closed her eyes, allowing the music to flow through her, absorbing the harmonies that echoed through the ancient grove. As Ella played, the celestial harp responded to the emotions within her heart. The melody shifted from somber notes to uplifting tunes, expressing the full spectrum of human emotions. Ella felt a deep connection with the harp, sensing that it held the key to restoring the harmony that had been lost in Harmony Hills. Emboldened by the magical encounter, Ella decided to share the gift of the celestial harp with the townsfolk. She organized a gathering in the heart of Harmony Hills, inviting everyone to join in creating a harmonious melody that would transcend discord and bring about unity. The townsfolk, initially hesitant, were drawn by the enchanting notes emanating from the celestial harp. As they gathered in the town square, Ella invited each person to share their feelings through music. The once dissonant tones began to harmonize, transforming into a collective symphony that echoed through the hills. Ella, with tears of joy in her eyes, played the celestial harp with a newfound understanding of its power to heal and unite. The townsfolk, caught up in the magical moment, contributed their own melodies, some expressing remorse, others offering forgiveness, and many sharing a longing for the harmony that once defined their community. As the collective music soared, the atmosphere in Harmony Hills underwent a profound transformation. The air became charged with positive energy, and the discord that had gripped the town began to dissipate. The celestial harp, responding to the emotions of the townsfolk, wove a melody that bridged the gaps, fostering a sense of understanding and unity. In the days that followed, Harmony Hills experienced a renaissance of camaraderie and connection. The celestial harp, now a symbol of the town's resilience, played a central role in community events and celebrations. Ella, recognized as the town's musical guardian, continued to play the harp, ensuring that the melodies of harmony resonated through the hills for generations to come. Harmony Hills became a place where differences were celebrated, where the highs and lows of life were expressed through the timeless melodies of the celestial harp. Ella, now a beloved figure in the town, shared the story of her quest with the younger generation, passing on the importance of understanding, empathy, and the magical power of music. As the years passed, Harmony Hills thrived as a haven of unity and joy. The celestial harp, hidden within the ancient grove, continued to weave its enchanting melodies, ensuring that the town's legacy remained one of harmony and togetherness. And so, in the picturesque town nestled between rolling hills and meadows, Harmony Hills stood as a testament to the enduring power of music to heal, unite, and bring about harmony. The celestial harp, with its timeless melodies, became a source of inspiration for townsfolk and travelers alike, a reminder that, in the language of music, the heart finds its truest expression, and harmony becomes a bridge that connects souls across time and space. Title: The Blossoming Friendship Garden. In a small town surrounded by fields and orchards, there was a magical place known as Whispering Meadows. It was a garden unlike any other, where flowers not only bloomed in vibrant colors but also held the power to forge everlasting friendships. At the heart of the town lived a young girl named Lily. Lily had moved to the town with her family and found herself feeling a bit lost in the new environment. With a shy smile and a heart full of hope, she decided to explore Whispering Meadows, hoping to discover the magic that everyone spoke about. As Lily stepped into the garden, a gentle breeze carried a melody of laughter and whispers. The flowers, each with a unique personality, seemed to sway in harmony as if welcoming her into their enchanting realm. The garden was alive with colors, and the air was fragrant with the sweet scent of blossoms. Lily wandered through the winding paths, marveling at the kaleidoscope of flowers around her. Each bloom had its own special charm, and as she approached a patch of radiant sunflowers, she heard a tiny voice saying, "Hello there, new friend." To Lily's surprise, the voice belonged to Sunny, a cheerful sunflower with a bright, golden face. Sunny introduced Lily to the other flowers: Rose, the elegant red rose; Violet, the shy violet hiding beneath the leaves; and Petal, the playful daisy who loved to twirl in the breeze.